Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
City Intimation tells you which exam city you will be assigned for Cuet 2025 and appears before the final admit card is released. Watch dates on the National Testing Agency portal. NTA typically publishes City Intimation 10 to 20 days before the admit card or the exam window. Use your 12-digit application number and your date of birth to log in, then verify the assigned city, reporting time, and any notes about shift or center. Record the city name and transport options immediately. Log in at the NTA Cuet portal with your 12-digit application number and date of birth, and open the candidate dashboard. Click the City Intimation or Exam City link to display the assigned city name, reporting time, exam shift, and any center notes. Carefully review spelling of your name and the city, then download or screenshot the City Intimation page and save a PDF copy. Use that saved file to plan travel, book transport, and check if you need an overnight stay. If your city is missing or incorrect, immediately check for an NTA correction window or contact the official NTA help desk via their portal or helpline email. Prepare evidence: saved screenshots of your application, the payment receipt, and the City Intimation PDF to support any grievance. Do not attempt unofficial changes or share your login credentials. Only NTA can reassign cities or correct errors during the published window. If reassignment is not possible,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.